83 megapascals, using the Schrader valve. 4. Upon opening the solenoid valve, 1, the air from the tank is moved to the projectile, which is fired out of the muzzle. Pneumatic launchers are thought about a bit harder to construct due to the need of an entirely airtight building. These cannons have 4 fundamental elements: a filling valve, an air chamber, a pressure release valve, a barrel, and a pneumatic spud gun. Air is pumped into the pressure chamber. The filling valve is usually a typically offered type such as a Schrader or Presta valve, but other assemblies to pressurize the cannon such as fast release connections with ball or examine valves have actually been utilized. The pressure release valve is typically one of a variety of commercially readily available types such as a plumbing ball valve, and watering sprinkler valve, or a fast exhaust valve. The most typical custom design utilized is the piston valve. Multiple valves arranged to be set off together or sometimes utilized as an alternative to a single bigger valve. The series of pneumatic cannons is more variable than the series of combustion spud guns due to the increased variation possible in the components. Pneumatic spud weapons are generally more effective than combustion spud guns. A typical combustion weapon creates average chamber pressures of about 30 pounds per square inch, 210 kilopascals, with peaks of around 70,100 pounds per square inch, 500,700 kilopascals, while the average pneumatic gun can run at pressures in the vicinity of 100 pounds per square inch, 700 kilopascals. 4 megapascals, or higher. PVC dry ice cannon in use. 1. 5 kilograms, 3 pounds, of concrete is poured at the bottom to strengthen it, and plastic sleeves are used to stiffen the lower, highest pressure, part. A solidified carbon dioxide cannon utilizes the sublimation of solid carbon dioxide to create the gas pressure to propel a projectile and is a variation of the burst disc cannon. When the pressure of the carbon dioxide from the subliming solidified carbon dioxide develops high enough, the projectile will be blown out of the tube. The pressures of such gadgets are not very high, as it only requires to develop enough to conquer the static friction of the projectile jammed in the barrel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.